Let's learn to write the name Suzanne. We start on the line with the letter Sin, a straight line, and afterwards we go straight into the waw without stopping. After the waw, we stop writing because it doesn't join to letters which follow it. Then we trace the letter Zai. Zai also doesn't join. Then Alif, which also doesn't join, and then we finish with a final Nun. Then we add in the dots for the letters Zai and Nun. And here we have the name Suzanne. Let's learn to write the name Yusuf. We start with the letter Ya and continue straight into the letter Waw. Waw doesn't join, so we stop, and then carry on with the Sin, a straight line, and finish with the final form of Fa. Ya has two dots under the letter, which become a short line, and Fa takes a dot above the letter. And here we have the name Yusuf. Let's learn the word Faransa, which means France. We begin with the letter Fa, which looks similar to the letter in print, and we continue straight into the letter Ra. Ra doesn't join, so we pause here. Now we start the letter Nun in its regular form, continue into the letter Sin, represented by a longer line, and then we finish by continuing into an Alif. Fa and Nun need a dot above the letters. And here we have the word Faransa. Now we'll learn to write the word Min, which means from. We start with a mim, a small circle on the line, and we continue into the final form of the letter Nun, which goes under the line. The Nun takes a dot above the letter, and here we have the word Min. And now you know how to write Yusuf min Faransa, Suzanne min Faransa.